I'm going to pick up from Singapore. Actually, he is arriving from Wrocław 10:19 over there. Wrocław Wołgny in Peron 5, platform number 5. Let's go there. Oh, here we are. Our friend from Singapore actually coming. This one is the tram coming from Wrocław. Let's see where he is.
Dzień dobry! Here at last in Poznan!
Right, first of all, I take my friend here for coffee. It's coffee o'clock. Okay, so we are in Soba and having a coffee. He's just fresh, straight, arriving in Poznan after. Where have you been, bro?
I have the Krakow and Wrocław. Yeah.
Wrocław.
Wrocław. Wrocław.
Oh, Wrocław. My police teacher will not be happy if you say. Okay.
So I'm still a foreigner here.
Okay, smacznego. Dziękuję.
Tak, tak.
I'm taking this tourist going around. Bro Padi. I'm taking the Singaporean tourist here.
Tak, tak. Tak, tak.
You came here lah. Okay, we are here on the top of the Zamek.
Yes.
Smacznego! We have our lunch actually. I take you to one police kind of a warung where many police people coming for the traditional food. This one is gulas, kachka, and kind of the rice, and this one the red
Beetroot, yeah?
beetroot, yes, and with the zurek. You have to try.
Oh, yes,
yeah.
smacznego.
Smacznego. And here's the name of the place. Bro, how is your food?
So far so good, yeah. I like Polish food. Yes. Tak, tak. Dobra, dobra.
Dobra.
Yes, yes. I like pierogis, I like bigos, I like zurek, and I love kompot.
Kompot.
Kompot, yeah. Nice drink, really. My life savior here. Hey, what's up? Dzień dobry, I'm here.
Finally, the memory from Kuala Lumpur coming back
Yes,
again.
correct. Lumpur, yes, correct. And here we are in Poznan. Come on.
I never imagined that we meet here.
Never,
Us.
never say never. Yeah.
We are in the mall. It's so hot outside, so that's why we show where we're gonna eat because we already have lunch and Damian just finished working. So now we just feel like we need to cool off ourselves, you know, from the heat. So go mall first, and after that we will explore the tourist places together after this. Fika time! Catching up. See, this is how we are Asian. Take a photo.
I mean, you with no phone.
The phone eat first before.
Oh my god, catching up. Lots of new things. Smacznego. Na zdrowie, bro. This one for the drink, na zdrowie. Tak, for the food, smacznego. Okay.
Dobra, dobra.
Oh, dobra.
So, postcard. So I suspect this must be something Polish, but I didn't know what exactly it is. So
You got opportunity to see with me.
Pistachio drink, coffee, nice. Poncek, cake. I told you, Polish cake is so good.
this is sponge.
Yeah, Polish donut.
Oh, Polish donut.
Tak.
Looks good actually.
Have to try.
Sure, let's try.
The background is actually the Cathedral Church, and we are going to the Ostrotumski and showing the part of the Poznan, the old Poznan, right? Poznan city, right? And this one is the bridge. So yeah, let's go there. Nice restaurant, nice coffee shop. Now we are in the Srudka area. This is still summer vibe, blue sky, and a beautiful mural restaurant on the left, on the right side, behind nice apartment. It is nice. What to do in Poznan?
Gonna go to the second biggest river in Poland, which is the Warta, which is over there. You're gonna see the biggest river in Poland, second biggest river.
Second biggest, yeah. Okay.
But the
cool.
biggest in Poznan, anyways. Then you're gonna see the oldest cathedral from the distance, but you've been already inside. Then we're gonna go to the old town because you have to see the ding dong. in Poznan. Then we're gonna have an ice cream because it's the best in
Ice
Poznan for me. And then we're gonna have a pizza for dinner because you are with me, so we have to eat pizza. Even you are in Poland, you already tried the Polish food with Winnie.
Yes,
for
yes.
dinner, right?
Yeah.
And
Something
then,
new.
And then they have alcohol-free beer, what I promise you. As
Let's do it,
on
man. Let's do
because
it.
this man watching every single video since the early beginning, and we've visited each other in Singapore and even in Malaysia accidentally once. I don't know how many times.
And in Bali as well. We met in Bali as well.
And now he's in Poland.
In Poland.
First person actually who visited us in Poland. So I really glad that somebody still remember us. Yeah. Okay. So bro, you see this building at the front of us? So beautiful, isn't it?
Nice.
Okay, you see on the very top on it, that is the year of the construction, 1906. No, 1904 actually. So it's 120 years old building exactly. So on the bottom, they are usually the restaurants, shops, or any other things like this one. While on the first, second, third, and sometimes on the fourth floor, usually they are 4 floors, they are apartment buildings. So there are people living there normal.
Residential.
Yeah, but all of those buildings, they are over 100 years old.
How about the very top one? There is apartment as well too?
Still. Yeah, and there is no lift on it. You have to walk to
All the way up.
All the way up, all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are always characteristic with this really nice architecture.
Yes.
Often they have a balconies, and they usually have a big door, like a wooden big door.
Yes.
Not like some like a modern thing, but they really keep all. They are refurbished. Some of them they were destroyed during the war. Some of them not. You see, and they are really big, actually big inside. I'm not that much into it.
Yeah, okay.
This is the Bruce talking.
With
Polish stuff, yeah.
Polish stuff in it, which usually
And that's the Brahma Poznan.
have vanilla ice cream. Yes. Or instead of vanilla ice
So hot.
I like the twist one. Yeah, the one with chocolate vanilla. I tried that in Czech Republic.
Yeah, that's why I want to try. The thing is the people looking at me as I'm your tour guide because 2 Asians and I'm me wearing the long pants while you are like a tourist. Usually I wear the short pants when I just left after the office, you know. And you thinking as I'm the tour guide or something.
Where is your badge, bro?
Unbelievable.
Hey, you should wearing badge and a flag, you know.
Well, I used to do like that long time ago, but not anymore. Now it's just my friends and my wife, obviously. And there are tourists here, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
you can help them. You know?
Let's go ice cream time.
Ice cream, come on, let's do it, man.
I'll give you my pomegranate with raspberry.
Nice, no
That.
problem, bro.
This one, see?
Come on.
I will give you all the 0% alcohol beer, 0% beer, tak?
Oh my god, this is next level. Oh my god.
Give to the Asian guy first time.
Bagus.
We are in Poland, no one.
Which one?
And this
Okay,
is my
you see?
This is my
This is your own
Yeah.
lemon fly. Me.
Cheers, buddy. Cheers, YouTube.
Nice job, yeah.
Let's go here.
Which one do you prefer then? All good?
All good, actually. But if you ask me, I would prefer
Which?
Winnie's one.
Winnie's favorite.
So it's time for pizza
I
o'clock.
need to do something.
Yeah, we have to do the
Okay.
cheese. We have-
Nastrovic.
So this one is the house situation. Actually, it's quite busy. I think that almost all
just
the seats are taken. Nice.
I'll rest when I'm back in Singapore.
Right, so Bro Padi tomorrow is going to Gdansk, right?
Then to Warsaw and then back to Singapore. Bro, don't worry. Thank you for coming, bro.
Thanks for hosting me. Really, very touched.
You host us many times in Singapore, so finally we got opportunity to
Yes.
host you back in Poland, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
That's
Alright.
all my video. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Safe. Bye tomorrow.